The Prepac Astrid 6-drawer dresser combines classic design with modern functionality, featuring clean lines and solid wood knobs that contribute to its timeless appeal. With 6 spacious drawers, this dresser provides ample storage space for clothing and other essentials, making it an excellent choice for organizing bedrooms. The dresser's versatile design allows it to fit seamlessly into various spaces, including bedrooms, living rooms, and entryways, while the top surface can be used to display decorative items. Crafted from non-toxic, Carb 2 compliant laminated composite wood, the dresser ensures durability and safety, with smooth roller glides and built-in safety stops for the drawers. Despite its sturdy construction, the dresser is easy to assemble, coming flat-packed with clear instructions, and can be put together in under 2 hours with the help of another person. The Prepac Astrid dresser not only offers practical storage solutions, but also adds a touch of elegance to any room with its sleek espresso finish and thoughtful design.